Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the credit system in Java. I created the credit system for student registration. Let's show the demo first. Here. Now I want to enter the new record of student registration. Here I am entering the first student name, student mobile number, something like that I'm giving here. Here course I enter as a Java. Click add button. Record saved message will be successfully displayed. Click OK. Record will be successfully added into the database table, and I am retrieving from the database table here, and this will be the J table. We can show the records here, right? Now if you want to select the record, you can see the thing like this. If you click this row, you can see easily you can get the record like this. If you wish to delete the record, select the row which record you have to delete, and this record I am going to delete John, and click delete button. It asks the message, do you want to delete the record, confirmation message. If it is no, it's keep on the table. If it is yes, record has been deleted from the J table like this, right? Now if you wish to edit the record, if you click the record which you want to edit, and you have to change the course. I'm going to change the name course. This course I'm going to change the name. Java I'm going to change it as C#, and click edit button. Click OK. Here record will be successfully edited, right? This is done how to do step by step. Okay, the first step will create the database first. I am creating the database on mysql server. So let's go to the browser. This is the mysql server. I am going to create the database. So new. Here database name we have to give. I am going to give the database name as some school name. I'm going to give Linda. This is my school name, and create. Right. Database has been created successfully. It asks the table we have to create it. So I need only how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns I needed. ID, name, mobile, and course. So here I'm going to give as a 4 columns required. Here I am going to give the table name as let me give as record. Right. You can give any name over here, student registration or any name. I give as a record and click go. Now here we have to fill these boxes. Here I am going to add the column name as first one as ID, type as integer, length as 11. This one always a auto increment, and primary. This one will be the auto increment primary. This field will be required. After that I need a student name, so we have to type as simply name. Select the data type as varchar. Here 255 characters. After that another field is mobile. This one will integer 11. The final one will be course. This one will be the course. Here we have to type select as varchar 250 characters. This is the only thing we have to create the database table, right? If you click save. Right. The table has been created successfully, database table. If you want to change anything else, you just click on the change button and you can change. You will be able to change anything you want. If you click this one, it asks for changing. You can change anything else, right? Now the first one first task we completed successfully. Other thing what I am going to do is the second step. We go to the Google browser. Google.com, you have to give, right, go here. Here you have to download the mysql connector for Java. That will be the important stuff. Okay, so you just type on the Google search mysql connector download, right? If you write like this and click search, you will be visit this website mysql connector. Here, this website, you just click on the first link, download connector J. Okay, so if you click this one here, JDBC driver for mysql, right? This is the thing you have to download. You just go below here. There will be two things: platform independent architecture, zip archive. This one you have to download. This one, click download and download this one. If you click this one, it will be downloaded. Here it will go download. Here it will ask this one, this screen, if you whether you are login or sign up. You just click on no, I just start my download. If you click this one, it's starting downloaded. The mysql connector will be started downloaded, right? I just cancel it because I already downloaded. You have to download this way, right? Now let's back to our project. Here, let me design the form first. So go to file, new project, Java application, next. Here you uncheck it. Here you have to give the name as Linda. So project name is Linda, right? Click finish. New project has been created successfully in that here. Now here what I'm going to do is here, click on the source package. Here default package will be displayed here. Here right click on the package, new Java package. Here I'm going to name it as Linda. Package name is Linda. This is school name, I put it Linda. Right click on the package Linda, right click new. Here I'm going to create a form, JFrame form, right? That's the thing. Here I'm going to give the name as here registration. Class name as a registration. Reg. Let's give as a short as reg. Click finish. Right. This is the empty form. Right. Now I'm going to design the form as well. Look like this. Right. Now first thing what I'm going to do is here I'm going to design the label first. Heading. So go to the design here. Let me increase the size of the form like this. Look like this. Now here what I'm going to do is first I'm going to go to the palette, get one label here, right click, edit text. Here you have to write as student registration, right? After that, right click, here I'm going to change it as change the font. So right click, properties, font, select the font property. Here you have to let's select as 24 with bold. Click OK. Right. This size will be enough. Right. This is enough. If you want to big font, you can give the you can change the size as well. Right. Now I need one border. So let's go to the panel. Select the panel from the palette and drag here. Here right click on the panel, properties. Here properties, code, not code, properties, sorry, not code, properties. There will be the border. Here there will be the border option available. There now defaultly come as no border. Here click on this. Here title border, let me select as title border. I'm going to give the title as here registration. Right, that's the thing I'm going to give. Here you can change the font size also as well. If you can 14, right, width